have I got a story to write today? Let's see. Apparently, there's a new drug on campus. Students are taking this new drug containing IGFs to build muscle and get ahead in the game. IGFs are a gene on chromosome 12q23.2 that encodes a protein similar to insulin in structure and function, which belongs to a family of proteins in mediating growth and development. That's why these students are taking it. IGF-1 mutations are a cause of insulin-like growth factor deficiency, so they better watch out.
Good afternoon, class.
What's going on?
All right, today we're going to be talking about IGFs. Can anyone tell me what IGFs are? No one? IGFs have a greater affinity for IRA than IRB because IRA is a significant mediator for IGF-2 action at physiological concentration. Both IRA isoforms is a form of hybrids with IGFR as well as with each other. Insulin receptors have two isoforms, IRA and IRB. IRA exists in the absence of 12 amino acids of the carboxyl terminus of the alpha subunit, and IRB exists in the present. IRB is a more abundant isoform in the muscle, liver, and fat. Okay, so another topic for the IGF. The IGF proteins, they come in two forms, IGF-1 and IGF-2. They are both ligands and they bind to the receptors IGF-R1, which is a part of the RTK family. IGF is made of covalent dimers constructed of the two extracellular alpha subunits and two transmembrane beta subunits. Containing a tyrosine kinase domains. All right, so now, I will let the class go early if you can answer this last question. What are the intracellular targets of the IGF in muscle? Jada?
IGF fosters cellular division and growth. It also is involved in cell repair, particularly in brain, heart, and muscle.
Yes, Jada, that's right. Okay, so now the homework, you have a quiz next class, outline chapters 24 and 26. Do questions in chapters 25, 26, 27. Do all these questions in the back of the book. Write a paragraph on IGF 1 and 2 and how it affects muscle growth. All right, y'all have a good day. All right, and Brandy, can I see you after class? Hey.
So I heard about this new drug on campus.
Really?
Yeah, I'm actually a trainer here.
You are?
Yeah. So the students are trying to take it to boost their muscle. Growth hormone is widely used as a performance-enhancing drug. One of its best characterized effects is increasing levels of circulating insulin-like growth factor, which is IGF-1. And this is a primary of hepatic organ. It induces synthesis of IGF in most non-hepatic tissues.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really interesting. Information, Brandy.
Of course.
Y'all have a good day.
Yeah.
What are you about to know?
Man, I'm about to go to the gym.
Me too.
Yeah.
I was tired of all this homework.
Yeah, me too. She gets homework that she giving us,
It's
though.
too much homework. I'm taking 21 credits. Like, I have other classes. I don't
Tell
think she
me about it,
understands.
like, it's driving me nuts, man.
I don't think she
Right.
understands at all.
But what you about to do in the gym, though?
Trying to work on the treadmill, lift some weights.
Okay, well, I'm trying to get big for the summer, too, so, you know.
I'm not trying to get big. I'm just trying to slow down.
Oh.
I know you got all dressed up for the club, waiting on to come pick you up, baby. Ooh, when I saw you
Isn't she the athletic trainer in our class?
Hi, y'all.
What's up, Brandon? Workout?
I'm trying to get big for the summer.
Alright, y'all can join me. Alright, so Jada, I'm gonna start you up first. We're gonna do some curls, and it's gonna be 5 sets of 5 reps. And then you just alternate arms.
What you got for me? What you got? What you got?
So you say you're trying to get big.
Yeah, I'm trying to get my chest.
Go ahead and I'll get you your weight.
Alright. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So how many would you want me to do? So I overheard you and Dr. Settles talking in class about the growth hormones that has insulin growth factor in it.
Yeah, what about it?
Do you think I should take it?
No, Henry, I don't think you should take that drug at all.
Why?
There's so many negative side effects to performance enhancing drugs. You can have acne, high blood pressure, it'll cause heart problems, and the long-term effect is cancer.
Really?
Yeah, it's not good, Henry, don't do it.
But I want to get big, you know?
That's not the way to go. You can take protein, there's other, they're enhancers, not drugs.
Okay. Think about it.
Alright,
I'll think about it.
alright.
But I can't promise you I won't take it though.
I think you should promise.
No. But I'll think about it though. Man, I don't know if I should take this drug. If I take it, it's going to have an effect on the cells in my muscle tissue. Potentially my liver, skeletal muscle, and who knows what else. Taking this growth hormones will increase IGF-1 in my body, causing cell proliferation and muscle growth.
Hey, Dr. Settles.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ooh. Hey, Henry.
What's good with you, Dr. Settles? What you been up to?
Nothing much.
Okay.
Okay, class, we're about to take a quiz, so I'm gonna need for everyone to clear their desks, put the phones away, laptops away, and get out a sheet of paper. There are 3 questions on the board, and you guys have 10 minutes to do this quiz. Henry, are you using your phone? You have a 0. It should have been on your desk.
But I wasn't on my phone though.
You should.
Yeah, man.
You have a good day.
You too.
Breaking news. I am Anna J. Peterson, live at Daniels Gymnasium of Virginia State University, where a student has been reported to have been hospitalized for excessive use of growth hormones. Junior Henry Ajala was taking extreme amounts of performance-enhancing hormones.
Ajala's injuries may have been caused by the induced synthesis of IGF-1 in non-hepatic tissues. GH made in pituitary gland is released into the bloodstream and then stimulates the liver to produce IGF-1, which has the ability to stimulate growth effects in just about every type of cell.
Let's take a look at just how insulin growth factors work.
Insulin growth factors have 3 pathways: IGF-1, insulin hybrid, and non-tyrosine kinase pathway that includes IGF-2. The IGF-1 pathway affected Ajala the most. This signaling cascade was activated by the binding of IGF-1 ligand to the receptor IGF-R1, which led to the dimerization of the receptor monomers and autophosphorylation of those monomers. RS1 binds to the activated IGF-1 receptor and serves as the binding activation site for the PI3K kinase. PI3 kinase phosphorylates PIP3, which then activates AKT. Downstream of PI3 kinase is the mammalian target of rapamycin, otherwise known as mTOR, which binds with FKBP12 to inhibit the mTORC1 complex. This does not affect mTORC2, but the upregulation of AKT does. These processes promote cell survival as well as cell proliferation.
Some effects of IGF-1 include Alzheimer's and dwarfism. A lack of IGF-1 may even cause brain shrinkage. We all here at Virginia State University keep Henry Ajala in our prayers. We'll see you tomorrow at 12 on Children TV. Thank you for watching.
Fight!